Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna clean out the chicken coop. You ever get the feeling that you're being followed? This is the most vocal Rhode Island Ranger that we have. Then there's our Golden Comets. Well, come on up, why don't you? You too. And then we've got our white Leghorns over there, scratching away in the black gold. What you doing, sweetie pie? You're so nice. You're a good girl. The girls are out having a blast while the chicken coop was being cleaned. And they'll stay out until we put them back up later. We just keep them in until they all lay. So that way we don't have to look for eggs all over the place because they stray kind of far. And so, yeah. Love watching them scratch. Let me see if I can get a close-up for you. Well, you guys must know I have feed. Well, come on, let's put feed in your feeder. Let's go. Ooh, whoopsie. Thought I was gonna step on a chicken. Come on, girls. Yeah, fresh food, ladies. Alrighty, now that the coop is nice and clean, they've got fresh water inside and out. And they're full of feed. We put some DE on the yard, in the coop, also in the inside run to keep down bugs, and it's also a dewormer for them, so it's really good because as they peck, they'll pick that up. Let's see what we got for eggs here. Oh, nice. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at this white egg. We have a Leghorn that lays every day, and I'll show it to you side by side. If she doesn't lay one day, we get these monster double yolkers. Look at the size of that egg. Amazing. That'll be so good for breakfast tomorrow. Okay, and then we have 2 more up here. And another one here. None in there. I know it's kind of dark. Sorry. There's a brown egg there. And I think we've got them all. There's all our eggs for the day. Nice 10 eggs. All right, everybody. So I'm going to go outside so we get a little bit better light. Just wanted to thank everybody for watching today's video. Hoping to do every Saturday and Sunday is what we've decided, but it's Thanksgiving weekend and we happen to be home from work and we both work full-time jobs. So we're going to commit to Saturday and Sunday for posting new videos. And hopefully in the summer when it's lighter out, we'll be able to do them every day like a daily vlog. Right now it's kind of hard to do because by the time we both get home, it is dark outside and we have to do chores. So anyway, like and subscribe, and thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day.